Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Revica Sisi, ang inyong lingkod. O ayan guys, update tayo kay Joy. Grabe guys, Joy waiting for Dan for the photo shoot. It's this coming birthday of Joy. Yeah! Grabe English to ah. Ayan guys, panoorin natin ang video samtang naghihintay si Joy kay Kalingap Dan. Ito na po.
20 na. Tapos masaya po kasi masi-celebrate ko po nakasama po ang Team Kalingap.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd loved again. After a long, long while, I'd loved again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd loved again. After a long, long while, I'd loved again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you.
O diba guys, ang ganda ni Joy. Grabe! Okay guys, hanggang dito lang muna tayo ah. Abangan natin ang pagdating ni Kalingap Dan. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow my page. Bye bye guys, to God be the glory.
It was destiny.